Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We can use about polar coordinates. So I will put about x equals to r cosine theta, y equals to r sine theta. So we have x squared plus y squared. So I will put this one gone here and this one gone here. So we have like this. So we can do about factorization by r squared. This one, that is about number 1. The next one, dx dy equals to r dr d theta. Now we need to consider this one. So we can see that dy, so we have y between number 0 and the square root of 9 minus x squared. Dx, that should be between from 0 to number 3. So we need to write about this one. Before we do this one, we put the power number 2 for the both sides and we got like this. So I will put this one go to the left. And we can see that this one, that is about the circle with the center 0, 0. And the radius, that is about the square root of number 9 equals to number 3. And now we need to write about the circle. So we put number 3 cone here, number 3 cone here. This one negative number 3. This one we have negative number 3. So on this one, we can see that y is greater than or equal to number 0 and smaller than this one. So that is about this one in here. But on the x, they start at number 0 and they stop at number 3. So that means we just have only this one. Now we can change the bounds in here. So this one, that is about r squared. Dy dx, that is about r dr d theta. About dr, that is from 0 to number 3 because this is about the radius of the circle. About d theta, so we start at number 0 and we stop at b over 2 in here. This is about the trigonometric circle. So this one, that's it from 0. They will go in here. And now we need to calculate this one. So 1 over secant, that is about cosine, and we can put about 4 r cosine r square dr d theta. And now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to r square. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we got like this. This one that is about 4r, this one that is about 2r. So we need to multiply both sides by number 2. Next, we need to change the bounds. So when r equals to number 0, so we put number 0 cone here to find the value of u. So u equals to number 0. When r equals to number 3, so we put number 3 cone here, and we got about u equals to number 9. So number 3 we change for number 9. For r dr we change for 2 du. R square we change for u. The integration of cosine u, that is about sine u, and we put the bounds from 0 to number 9. So we put number 9 cone here, number 0 cone here. So we have two sides of number 9. Side of number 0, you got number 0. And now we have the final answer. And this one we have b sine 9. This is the end. Thank you for watching.